Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic recipe, change it up a little bit to create a whole new dish. Today I'm playing with chicken and we're going to be making a Hawaiian chicken salad. So I've got some cooked diced chicken here, boiled on the stove about 8 to 10 minutes, boneless. And then I've got some diced pineapple. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of pineapple, a hit of some green onions. Then I've got some pineapple juice here that I'm going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of mayonnaise to. Woo, I got a little crazy there. A little splash action. I'm going to go ahead and pour that. That's going to be my dressing for my pineapple. Use the ingredients that are native to Hawaii: coconut, pineapple. And I've got some crushed up coconut that I'm going to add. I don't do the sweetened. The unsweetened it's healthier for you. They don't have crazy ingredients added in there for preservative factors. So here you go. You can serve it over lettuce. You can serve it on top of a piece of toasted bread with some crackers, all sorts of options. So here you go. Hawaiian chicken salad. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. For more inspiration on playing with food, you can visit me on my website at chefamy, that's with 2 E's.com.